Hey guys, let's see here if I remember how to add somebody on. Invite. Alright, let's see if that works. So, happy Tuesday. Feels like Monday. Hope you guys had a nice weekend. My chickens are behind me. Don't be surprised if you hear my cat meow. I am growing out my bangs and it's kind of driving me nuts. I'm not sure how much longer I'm going to do it. So, yeah, it's a little bit breezy out. Really beautiful, but chilly. Just a touch. The mosquitoes have been really bad at my house. I don't know about you guys. Hey, there you go, Beth. Okay. I think that's working. Hi.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. Long time no see.
I know, right?
How hard?
Yeah.
What is the latest with you?
Well, okay. They bumped up my failure to appear, even though I handled the paperwork via common law.
Okay.
They bumped up my failure to appear to contempt of court, criminal charge.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
And so, I said, what, 2.0? Wow. They're done that.
They're doing it again. Hey,
they're doing it again.
Let me step back for people who have no idea what just happened.
Okay.
Tell us, like, were you pulled over? Is that what it was about?
Yes, I was pulled over. They have, hold on just a minute. I got to shut my computer.
Yep.
They have new scanners that will pick up anybody's phone if they're looking for you. So when you cross the Mackinac Bridge and probably at our traffic lights, if we have 5G, they can tell if you're in a car that has registration, insurance, and stuff like that. So they knew my car wasn't registered because according to common law, I'm a traveler. I'm not conducting commerce.
Right.
I do not have to have a driver's license, registration, or proof of insurance.
Okay.
Under common law, they can't even flash their lights because it's an emergency if they're flashing their lights. Me traveling in my private automobile on a road, a public road, is not a crime whatsoever, and none of that paperwork is required. So because I'm running for de jure sheriff in our county, I couldn't, I wasn't going, they pulled me over in November in another county, and I will not get my registration. I will not pay for it. So they keep pulling me over because I keep informing the people about common law.
Yeah.
And
it's very simple. It's very simple. God's law.
God's law. No property damage, no personal injury, no crime. And if I were to cave to their extortion, then I would be making it more difficult for anybody else to stand up for their common law rights. So I was willing. I spent 24 days in jail already to protect an 18-year-old's rights. His mother caved and set him up and made him lie about me twice on the stand. I didn't call him out on it. He got off, but then they picked me up right away after I picked up the application to run for sheriff. I'm not running for sheriff in their election. I'm running for de jure sheriff, common law sheriff, which I have been doing for 4 years. Sheriffs investigate. I've investigated everything. They have not investigated one thing. I investigated the election, trafficked children, various different cases to help people. That's why they were so upset, because I kept telling everybody, request a trial by jury, not a jury trial, a trial by jury. Now, Amy, tonight, if people watch my live feed, I'm going to go live with an example of what a common law jury should look like and what a common law situation to handle any situation in our county. People can request a common law jury instead.
Cool.
Which we will then provide them the paperwork to push back on this de facto government that is a corporation masquerading as our government.
I love
selected, not elected, installed like toilets.
The people in our court system, they're installed like they're not selected.
No, and they're installed by being,
I said that wrong.
the bar association.
They're not elected by us. They are selected by their peers, by those above them, basically.
Pretty much, probably Freemasons pay for most of the judges and lawyers to go to college, to go to law school.
Wow.
So,
You know, the people just don't know how simple it is that we can just turn our backs on the corrupt government and take it back.
yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil.
Exactly.
All you have to do is trust God. You can't trust man. You can't trust these people before you. They have a hidden agenda. We were not supposed to submit to their man-made authority. We should only submit to God within us.
Right. So yeah. How if people want to know more, should they join us tonight? Should they reach out to me or you?
Yes. So what I will, yes, that's right, because you'll be on there, right? Okay. Yep. Yes. And if you can come on, if you can do it live on your channel at the same time, yes.
Okay.
Okay. And I will stream it live on my profile. You stream it on your profile, or Calm Before the Storm, so that people can share it. I can't stream. Go ahead.
Yeah. The main thing is that people just need to know that there's another option. We don't have to continue with this corruption.
All we have to do is stand together. They are becoming very, very afraid. And I will share with them, and you can share it ahead of time, a lot of documents. There's a really nice document that was put together that differentiates between a driver, which is for commerce, and a traveler, which is just for private, traveling in your automobile. That's most of us, most of the time.
Right.
As long as you're not trying to do business and you're not a state employee, you do not need a driver's license even.
Yep.
And I don't subscribe to this whole thing that, well, because you got a driver's license, you put yourself under their insurance. No, you did that because they were perpetuating fraud and a lie against you. You cannot be bound by that.
Yeah, it's crazy how deep and wide this all goes.
We just had a case with Trevor. If people, if you share that, Amy, it's a really good example of how the judge is trying to set up a jury trial where he controls every aspect. Trevor has to provide his questions to the judge. The judge gets to pick the jury. The judge gets to advise the jury. Watch tonight. Okay. You will see true justice. And so, yes, I guess that's my main message. When people see the difference tonight, it'll be a stark reality check.
Well, I really appreciate you bringing this to our awareness.
I appreciate you giving me a forum so that my sacrifice doesn't just, fall on deaf ears, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm willing to put myself out there. This charge again, the last time he only gave me 30 days out of 93 possible that they say, okay? Mm-hmm. I don't think it'll be 30 days this time if I were to go before his court. So this is really important that we get the word out, because the only security we have is that we stand together.
Yeah, and I can't believe that they came after you for that anyhow.
Right? I know.
Came to your house and took you for a night in jail again.
Yes.
Crazy.
Yes.
And it's obvious that they aren't working for us.
No, and you know what? They took the older deputies and city cops off the beat. They put them on the night shift first, and then they fired them.
No.
So that now, in our city and in our county, so now the only cops out on the beat are these young kids that will easily do what they're told. They don't know anything. They only know what they're told to do, and they will do it. They're scared to death of me, but they got handcuffs, so they can put you in jail,
Oh my.
And what are you going to do? Fight them? I mean, I had bruises all over my wrists just because they were so tight, and turning it around, trying to get my, wouldn't let me make, so you know how we were going to go live and provide roadside assistance?
Yeah.
Now they're wearing jammers on their body cams, so you cannot place a phone call to anybody. You cannot go live. You can't access anything. They have blocked your First Amendment right from the minute they pull you over.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
That's terrible.
That's how bad it is. Yes.
Because
So thank you.
they knew they were going to be busted.
Yeah, they knew it was the only way to stop us.
Wow.
That they thought they could stop us. They don't know. I'm unstoppable because I got the living God within me. Okay?
Yes, me too.
Right.
No
I
fear.
know you do. All right. Thank you. Thank you for your time.
All right.
All right.
So reach out if you have any questions because we'd be happy to talk about this more. All right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good. All right.
That's what I'm going to say. Anybody who has any questions, they reach out because Beth knows a lot more than I do. I just stand behind her and I stand with her. So.
And I have people that are really well versed in just keeping it common law. So we're good. We're in good hands. And we're going to make this jury. We can set up juries for anybody's cases. Okay. So,
that's
all right.
awesome.
Thank you.
All right. Thank
Love
you.
Talk soon.
We'll talk soon.
Okay.